The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Waseca MN, beginning at 3:57 p.m. and ending at 9:57 p.m. Waseca County no travel. County roads impassable. Limited or no emergency/tow services.
ALL Nobles County roads are closed and no travel. Stay home.
Murray County has pulled the plows, and MN.dot has closed all state highways in Murray County. No travel is advised. The county plows will be back out at 6 a.m. December 24, 2022. Blizzard warning remains in effect. Conditions are expected to worsen once the sun is down. Local deputies have encountered drifts as tall as their squads. Due to the limited visibility, motorists are driving into these drifts and becoming stuck. County and township plow operators are working to have the roads open by the evening of December 24, 2022. Thanks for your cooperation throughout the storm. I-90 WI-35's closed shelter open at National Guard Armory 410, Prospect Avenue, Albert Lee.
Do you need me? Do you think?
The City of Wilmar is requesting residents to reduce power until 10 p.m. due to weather and current power loads. For emergencies only call 911.
Worthington Utilities Energy Emergency Alert, EEA. Overuse of power could result in power outages. Temperatures in a power outage could be life-threatening. Details at https://www.worthingtonpublicutilities.com/energyemergencyalert.php.
Interstate 71 northbound near mile marker 62 impassable, do not use due to significant backup. Please use alternate routes. Freeborn County roads largely impassable, travel not advised, roads being cleared currently.